Did you know that most elite athletes include squats in their daily workout routines? That is right. Squats are not just for bodybuilders, they are crucial for anyone aiming to improve fitness and overall health. In this video, we will reveal the top 9 reasons why squats should be a key part of your exercise routine. Stay with us until the end, as skipping ahead could cause you to miss out on important details that could transform your fitness journey. Number 1. Squats build stronger joints. A squat is a strength exercise where you lower your hips from a standing position and push yourself back up. This simple movement engages various muscles and joints, especially the hips, knees, and ankles. Joints allow your body to perform physical functions, and by strengthening these areas through squats, you reduce the risk of joint problems. In the past, people were concerned that squats might cause knee injuries, particularly when using heavy weights. However, research from 2013 confirmed that squats do not increase the risk of injury when done properly. Squats can actually promote healthy joints and prevent long-term issues. Number 2. Squats help build muscle. Squats target a wide range of muscles, including your quadriceps, calves, hamstrings, abdominal muscles, lower back, and glutes. By performing squats regularly, you can tone and strengthen your lower body. When you bend your knees while squatting, your quadriceps are particularly challenged, especially if you are holding weights. Your abdominal muscles also work hard to stabilize your body and keep you from falling forward. If you want well-defined muscles in your legs and core, squats are essential. Number 3. Squats aid in weight loss. While squats may not be the first exercise that comes to mind for burning calories, they are highly effective. The number of calories you burn depends on factors like body weight, the duration of your workout, and the intensity of the squats. The more intense your squats, the more calories you will burn. Experts suggest starting with 20 squats a day, which can gradually be increased as your strength improves. Over time, squats can help you shed fat and gain muscle, making them a great option for those looking to lose weight. Number 4. Squats increase strength. Squats do not just improve muscle tone, they also boost your overall strength and ability to perform physical tasks. This is particularly important for athletes, as squats enhance power, speed, and jumping ability. A study in 2016 found that jump squats, performed 3 times a week for 8 weeks, improved sprint times and jumping strength in young male athletes. If you want to improve your athletic performance, squats are a must. Number 5. Squats improve heart health. The intensity of squats also benefits your heart. Regular squat exercises can lower your heart rate, blood pressure, and cholesterol levels, helping to reduce the risk of heart disease. Even moderate squat exercises can have a significant impact on your cardiovascular health. Number 6. Squats strengthen your core. If you are aiming for a strong core, squats can help you achieve that goal. A solid core improves your posture, balance, and ability to perform everyday tasks. A 2018 study found that squats are more effective than planks when it comes to engaging core muscles. If you want to stabilize your core and boost your overall strength, squats are an excellent exercise. Number 7. Squats prevent injuries. It might sound surprising, but squats can help prevent injuries by strengthening the tendons and ligaments that support your body. Many athletes rely on squats to reduce the risk of injury during sports activities. However, it is crucial to maintain proper form when squatting, especially when using weights, to avoid injury. Number 8. Squats improve flexibility. As we age, our flexibility naturally decreases. Squats can help maintain and even improve flexibility by stretching your muscles, tendons, and ligaments. To avoid injury, always warm up before doing squats or any other exercise. Squats can help you stay flexible and agile over time. Number 9. You can do squats anywhere. One of the best things about squats is that you do not need any special equipment. You can perform squats anytime, anywhere. Start with 20 squats per day, and as your strength builds, gradually increase your repetitions. Squats are simple yet powerful exercises that can be done in the comfort of your own home. Do you already include squats in your workout routine? Would you consider starting after watching this video? Let us know in the comments below, we would love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips. Check out our next video for even more expert advice on staying fit and healthy.